Do you want to change your Apple Watch hand side? Maybe you want to change the hand side from left to right or from right to left without changing the straps. Then this video is going to walk you through how to change Apple Watch hand side on your smartwatch. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to change Apple Watch hand side, all you just need to do is go ahead and press the two crown ones to take you to the app menu. While on the app menu, locate and click on the settings icon, this, or use the two crown to scroll through until you see the settings gear icon and then click on it. Once you click on settings, you'll be taken to your Apple Watch settings page. On the settings page, scroll down as well, then locate and click on general. So you have to access the general settings page for you to change your Apple Watch hand side. Now scroll down to get to orientation. Click on it. Then once you click on orientation, you have wrist, digital crown. So the wrist denotes where you want to wear your Apple Watch on. Do you want to wear your Apple Watch on your right wrist, or you want to wear your Apple Watch on your left wrist? So in this case, I'm a righty, so I'm going to wear my Apple Watch on my left wrist, so I need to select left. So if you want to wear your Apple Watch on your right wrist, make sure you select right. Now, the most important factor here, when you want to change the hand you want to wear your Apple Watch on, is the digital crown. Because without the digital crown, you might find it very difficult to control your Apple Watch except using the home screen touch. Then come down to the digital crown. Then if you select left, this is going to rotate the digital crown screen. If you select right, this is going to rotate the digital crown screen as well. So for those that wears the Apple Watch on the right hand side, you want to select the crown to be on the left. Then you'll be able to rotate the Apple Watch just like this. And you're going to have the digital crown on the left. And for someone like me that wears Apple Watch on left, and use the right to control the Apple Watch, you want to select the digital crown to be on the right. Then you'll see the Apple Watch screen rotated. And once it's rotated, you're going to have access to the digital crown at the top right here. But in case of left where the digital crown is, going to have the Apple Watch at the bottom left. So once you're done, you can now go ahead and then wear your Apple Watch. So that is basically how to change Apple Watch hand side. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.